Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix door handle issues on Volkswagen Golf Mk4, Jetta and many other models. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So if the exterior door handle doesn't fit correctly, probably you should check the backing plate from inside the door panel. So there is the backing plate. So to reach the handle backing plate, you have to remove the door panel and the window mechanism. You can find the video tutorials on the video description below. You can find exterior door handle removal tutorial in the video description below also. So to remove the backing plate, you just have to remove that T20 Torx bolt, but to remove the handle backing plate you have to remove first the door lock cylinder and the exterior handle. You can find those video tutorials in the video description below. So this is the door handle backing plate mounting bracket. So if you can see, there's a lower bolt there, which you can unscrew it using a T20 Torx. If you can see, the handle backing plate has two cast hook clips on the left side and two on the right side on that plastic clip. So we put the door handle back on the backing plate to understand the mechanism from the door handle. So if you can see, the handle, when you pull the handle, it will return back. So you have the lower bolt over there, which you can release it using a T20 Torx. If you screw the bolt, if you unscrew the lower bolt, you will move the circular ring anti-clockwise. So we will unscrew the bolt, and if you can see, the circular ring will release also the lock cylinder. So we will remove the lock cylinder, we will take it out. Now we will remove also the handle. So you have to release it from the handle tension. So you have to pull the handle towards the back of the car to release it. And then take it out. So if you keep screw the lower bolt, you will release the handle tension, and when you put the handle back, the handle will not return when you pull to open the door, because the handle tension it's released. So you have to be very careful when you install the handle back on the backing plate. So now I will show you how to put the handle tension back. So now you have to screw the bolt, the lower bolt, to move the circular ring cam anti-clockwise, and then you put the handle tension back, and then you so now we will screw the bolt to put the handle tension back. Okay, and then we will unscrew the bolt to lock the handle tension, because the circular ring will move anti-clockwise and it will lock the tension. And now you can install the handle back on the backing plate or on the door. Start from the front, and then from the and then on the back. Now you can pull the handle and it will return back. Then you can install also the lock cylinder back on the backing plate or on the door. After you put all the parts back, you can now screw the bolt back to lock the lock cylinder. And that's it. So you have to be very careful with that lower bolt when you unscrew or screw the bolt, because that bolt, it will move the circular ring cam clockwise or anti-clockwise to release it or to lock it, or to lock the handle and also the lock cylinder. If the backing plate is damaged, you need to renew or repair anything that is not working or is broken. You can find the new backing plate in the video description below. Any suggestions about new Volkswagen tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.